Hey, this is Al from Coda here, and this is a walkthrough of the Feature Market Analysis template by Product School. The front page is just kind of a description of what this template's all about. If you want to start using this for your own purposes and for your team, click on Use this Feature Market Analysis template button, and this will copy this template to your Coda workspace so that all your changes can be saved to the doc. There's a bunch of steps on how you should use this, but I'll walk you through step by step how this works. So step one is just filling out the list of your competitors. Now this fake list is just of Google Maps, Apple Maps, and we can call this a different competitor. We can call this, let's say, Waze. If I wanted to add another competitor, I could say, new name here, new name. And we're just going to move on from here to market comparison. Now you notice in the market comparison we already have some data written for Google Maps and Apple Maps. You can just clear the comparison table if you don't want to see all this data for now. But the idea here is that once you have all your competitors listed out in the previous step, in this step you can now add specific competitor facts about each of your competitors. Let's say for Waze it's a cool mapping service. And one of the pricing, let's say it's free as well, and most common feature must have navigation, obviously. And if the feature is something that you plan on including for yourself in your own company, you can click on this checkbox here, and you'll start to see all the different most common features, uncommon features that you'll be including from your competitors in your own product. So the idea here is just to fill this out for each of these different facts and then move on to a specific product feature comparison. Now, what is this going to look like here? These are the specific product features that you listed in the previous step, and navigation obviously is a big one, and this is all unique depending on what you entered in the previous step. And let's say I want to focus on navigation. This is the criteria that you have for navigation. I'm going to clear this for now. And let's say one of the criteria is, do they have feature? We can just add that. Pricing, let's say market share. Just do those three for now. And I'm going to clear this demo data here for now. And you'll see your four competitors here. Click on Do Product Analysis. And you'll see the product feature, the specific product feature you want to talk about, and then the three criteria you want to also just kind of focus on for your competitors on that specific product feature. Let's say for Google Maps, do they have the feature? Yes. Apple Maps has it? Yes. Waze has it? Yes. And you can start filling this table out based on the criteria you set here and also on the specific product feature you selected from here, which comes from, again, from that first list that you created in the previous step. And that's how you can do the feature market comparison between different competitors in this template.